Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for the love. Let's make this oven grilled chicken thigh together. Start by washing your chicken thigh with clean water one by one and set them aside. Rub them with a kitchen paper for it to dry and slice as illustrated in the video for it to marinate well. For my marination, we have vegetable oil, lemon juice. Add it to the vegetable oil. For spices, I have paprika, seasoning, curry powder, and black pepper. Add them to the liquids as illustrated. And mix them together to make a paste. That's the result. It will be a thick paste, as you can see. Pour it to your chicken. And using clean hands, rub them together for it to marinate. Set them aside for some time, at least 30 minutes, 2 hours or overnight. And arrange them in your grilled pan. Make sure they have spaces in between them for them to grill well. That's how it looks like before baking. And at a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 50 minutes, grill them. After 25 minutes, turn them for the other side to also grill. And after 50 minutes, that's the result. That's how it looks like. It was very yummy and delicious. I hope you can also try yours. I served mine with rice, banana, and a mango smoothie. Thanks for watching.